This is my POV of walking onto the plane being 6'11".
What's up? Short people only.
Sorry.
Yeah.
Thank you.
So this is my eyesight up here being 6'11", and a lot of people are like, I wish I had your height. This is what I see. This is my girlfriend, and this is how I see her all day, every day.
And this is my eyesight. This is the machine that he showed with all the dust on top. Can't see above anything. And then this is how I'm always looking up at him.
What? Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
Sorry. So I'm 6'11". This is what I see.